Is Windows Calculator crashing, freezing, or not working correctly? Resetting the app can restore its default settings and often fix common problems without affecting the rest of your system. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. This is where you'll find the options to repair or reset installed apps. Inside Settings, select Apps, then choose Installed Apps on Windows 11 or Apps and Features on Windows 10. From there, locate Calculator in the list of installed applications. Click Calculator, then open Advanced Options. This page includes tools to repair or completely reset the app. Click Reset, then confirm your choice if prompted. This restores Calculator to its default state and removes any stored app data or custom settings. Once the reset is complete, close Settings and open Windows Calculator again from the Start menu. The app should now start with its default configuration. If you still experience problems, open the Microsoft Store, go to your library, and check for Calculator updates. Installing the latest version can resolve additional bugs and improve stability. And that's how to reset Windows Calculator in 2026. Resetting the app is one of the quickest ways to fix common issues and restore it to normal operation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.